Alright guys, I'm finally back, and as you can see, she's still here. All the sanding is done. Uh, I started covering, I covered most of the areas, uh, as well as this electrical side as well, because I'm gonna be today washing this baby off. And like I said, make sure if you do this same like me in a garage, cover the electrical uh, uh, devices, anything that uses electric power, because you don't want no water coming in that contact with that. So cover that, as well as uh, I don't know, because most of the people will probably not do this inside garage. I have no other option than doing it, because I already removed the whole suspension, and it's gonna be pain in the ass for me to put it back on in order just to roll it out for hour and then roll it back in. So I'll do it inside. uh, the thing I'm gonna be using today is this Harbor Freight power washer. There's the name and how many psi, as well as this degreaser. I haven't used it. uh, I never used it so far. I will test it today and see how it works. I did read some reviews, and people say it's really good. But with this, I'm gonna mix in some Dawn right there. So I'm gonna mix those two. Dawn, the dishwasher, a dishwashing uh, detergent, whatever it is called. So yeah, I'll be spraying the whole thing with that right now, and then I will wash it off. Hopefully it's gonna be good looking, and hopefully I'm not gonna create a lot of mess around here. And this thing is really good. It's like $100, but you can use a coupon that's only like it gets you down to 83 $4 or something. So yeah, I'll put you guys on tripod right now, and I'm gonna start spraying this baby. So yeah, enjoy guys. All right, so already sprayed it. It looks all wet and shit. So yeah, everything is soaking right now. So next step is of course washing it off. Probably I'm gonna use just a regular rag and wash it off, and after that I'm gonna just power wash it to wash all the soap and everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in probably 5 minutes. Let this little bit soak. So yeah, see you. Alright guys, so on to the next step, which is rags and degreaser and some Dawn. I'm gonna wash the whole thing right now by hand. After that, right away I'm gonna spray it off. So yeah, here we go. Alright guys, as you can see, she's done. Now I'm just gonna let it to dry, and then I will pull off all of the masking. So yeah, it looks good. I mean, looks clean. It's ready for another masking, and then primer, of course. I think I'm gonna do a sandable primer, just so I can fix some imperfections. So yeah, other than that, it's just because you have to be careful with things like this. When you're washing it, you want a primer, and like if I wash it today, I want a primer tomorrow, because the longer you let it stay, all this metal that is exposed is going to start corroding and corroding and corroding. So over time, it's gonna be so much corrosion that you're gonna have to go back and sand it again. So yeah, you don't want to do that. If you want to do it, especially if it's outside, you can do it in one day, pretty much wash it and primer. But mine is inside, and I think it's gonna take a while for it to dry fully. So yeah, if you can, and if you're outside, prime it after it's dry right away, because corrosion is it's gonna show. It's gonna start corroding. So yeah, that will be it, guys, for this video, and I'll see you guys next time when probably I start primering this baby. So yeah, latest, guys.